Hello, Paul here from EMD. Today we just finished replacing the actual window regulator on this car here. This is the actual window regulator. It's all broken in pieces here. And because the window regulator was broken or starting to bind up, they usually start to bind up. And what happened is when they start to bind up, the actual motor will start to work harder to move the window up and down until they actually break off like that. Once they break off, then everything's gone. But because the window is working so hard, sometimes this window, if you operate the window, it's working like this, and if you go down again, so now just from doing it twice, this motor is extremely hot, really hot. So what we can do is ring the customer and tell them to replace the motor, otherwise this motor will fail. And the window, it actually failed on me because I went to put the door trim on and I moved it up 3 times, and then the window just came up to here, stay here until I waited about maybe 5-10 minutes for the motor to cool down, and then the window start working. So that's a sign of the actual motor starting to play up. 2 choices: replace the motor now before you pick it up, customer pick it up, or put the door trim on and take the car away. And then the bad thing about doing it that way, then the actual motor failed, and when you imagine driving in the rain, a big downpour, and the actual window doesn't work, it's pretty much everything will be wet here, even the switch will be wet, and then you burn out all the other stuff as well. Okay, but the new window regulator is done. Let's see what's gonna happen. We'll go from there. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.